Hello everyone. So yeah, I'm making a video after a long time. So recently I purchased this Samsung S4 Ultra. It is a great phone and I quite like it. Now the problem is that because it is an expensive phone, I was thinking of doing some protection, and I also purchased this MagSafe case, and it is actually from a company called Torras, whatever you want to call it. So this is, of course, like a very highly rated company on Amazon. So I did order this case. This case is of course really good, and as you can see, it has this magnet, so you can of course use it for navigation, or maybe if you want to do some work while you want to charge it. But in this video, I want to focus on this screen protector, which is again from this company called Torras, whatever you want to call it. Now the thing is, adding or attaching this screen protector is of course not really straightforward, and you have to do some work. So good thing about this company is that they will send you this screen protector with this kit. So this kit is actually quite useful. As you can see, this kit comes with few things. So let me show you what you will get in a box. So the first thing that you will get in a box is basically this case, a plastic case, which is actually used to basically attach or basically apply this screen protector. So the way I think it works is you basically keep it on top of your phone, and then you pull this out, basically this thing, and this will stick to your phone, and then you remove the outer covering. I think I'll probably try it out. I never really did this before. But before you can do this, and by the way, this particular screen protector, I think you'll get two of these. So I think you'll also get one more along with it, so which is a good thing. And if you want to replace your screen protector in future, you can do that. So as you can see, this particular screen or the replacement screen, you will get like some holes on top. So the case that you have here, or basically the case to apply the screen protector, it has these holes on top. So this is the top part, and as you can see here, I'm sure you can see it somewhere, hopefully there is like a slight gap here, so you know that this will come on top. So we will apply the case shortly, but this will come with this thing that you call, I don't know what you call it, where you can remove the bubbles later on. So we'll hopefully use it or not use it. Hopefully I'll see if I can apply it properly. But you also get this thing with your kit, and you also get these two I think wipes and a dry cloth. Along with the dry cloth, you will also get this sticker thing. So this sticker thing, I believe, is used to remove or to pick up some dust. And let us see if you have to use it. I hope not. But the main thing is, of course, this wipe. So let me open the wipe, and good thing is that I can see that there are two of these wipes and sticker, and I guess so this one is already opened, so I'll open this one. So you get basically in this pouch this wet wipe and this cloth for it's like a dry cloth, which is again very soft. I hope I can use it later on as well. So this is the wet wipe. So let us start the operation, or basically the thing that we're trying to do. So let me open it. I hope I can open it. Usually when you travel on airlines, you get something like this. So let me open it, and is there any smell to it? Yeah, it smells good. It smells like alcohol. Okay, so let us open this. Okay, so it's not really a massive wipe, but I'll try to clean it. So as you can see, let me try to show you. It is wet, but it is not like a wet wipe. So It's not like a massively wet wipe that, I mean, it's not like your usual, wipe that you get, that you use for cleaning. It's not like a surface cleaner, but it is good. I can see it is definitely, a bit wet. I'll probably try to clean maybe the back side as well. Why not, while we are doing it? And I think while you're doing it, I mean, I always prefer to uh, have some circular, motion, so that there are no, there are no, I think usually when you like do like a straight thing, it leaves some marks, but I don't really see any mark here. I think it all looks good. So I'll probably keep it here, and then we'll wipe it with this dry wipe that you also get with the box. And straight away, I think it is clean. I'll probably worry about the back side later. I think it is clean. I don't really see any dirt or any dust. It all looks good. And immediately I will keep this on top of my phone. And I think what you need to do, you probably need to press it. And I think if you're not really sure, you will also get these instructions. So not to worry too much about it. In I think 2 languages. So you can see here that it says clean the surface and blah blah blah. Align it. Make sure you place it in the correct direction and pull out the long plastic sheet. So there are some instructions, but of course we are going to do it anyway. So let us do it. So I'm going to press it. I don't really want to press it too hard, and I will pull it. Let us see. I'm a bit nervous, I'll be honest, but it seems like it is okay. And it all looks good. I pulled this thing out. I'm not really sure if I should keep it pressed or not, but I think in the instructions it says you have to keep it like this for like 5 seconds. So here it says wait for 5 seconds for the perfect seal with the screen, and then take off the install frame. So this is the install frame, not really the case. So I'll wait for 5 seconds. I'm not really sure if there are any bubbles. I can see some bubbles. I'm going to now lift it. Let us see. Okay, so it now says that you have to wait for 5 seconds and then take off the install frame. If there are any bubbles, use the scraper to push them outwards towards the edge. Okay, so I think it has been more than 5 seconds. Let us now lift. How do I lift it? Okay, so I can see this, and yeah, definitely there are some bubbles. So let me just try to pull it if I can. Yeah, I think it will definitely take some time. I mean, these bubbles are not really massively bad or annoying, but I can see some bubbles. So I'm not really sure if these bubbles are supposed to be there, but I'll be honest, I'm not massively like comfortable doing it. I mean it's not a big thing, but still, I'm not a professional in installing screen protectors. Good thing is that you have been provided all these things with you, and I think the last thing would be to lift this and install it properly. Okay. I'm actually worried about the bubbles on top. And because these bubbles are not really going anywhere. I'm making this video so that you can learn, and you can also do it, and trying to give you some confidence. Maybe I should have kept the phone on the surface, or maybe not. I'm not sure. Okay. There are definitely some bubbles at the very bottom. I know this video is now very long. It has been 10 minutes. So there are definitely some bubbles that I want to remove. I'm trying to do it carefully. Okay, so I have been trying for a while now, and these bubbles are not going. Maybe if I remove this thing, then maybe these bubbles are probably not between the phone and the screen protector. Maybe it's the outer covering. So let us see. And also in the, I mean, if it doesn't work, then I'll probably return it. So it says here that you need to that the last step is to just remove this. And okay, so it says yeah, so remove the last layer. Okay, let us see. So I'll remove it, and I'm actually very happy. So this is all good. I don't really see any bubble. It is actually very, very, very impressive. So while you were installing it, there were some bubbles, and it was not really clear to me whether it is me doing something wrong, or it is basically something wrong with the actual kit, but there is no bubble at all. Massively happy and glad that it worked. So yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.